let me show you how to make this. Listen to that crunch. It is incredible. It is my favorite sandwich after Thanksgiving, because you know you're gonna have leftover cranberry sauce, you're definitely gonna have leftover turkey, and this is literally my favorite. It's such a treat, and all it takes is your leftover turkey, or you can use leftover chicken. You can even use like deli meat turkey, slice that nice and thin. Also slice an apple. I like to use Honeycrisp, but you can use any apple you like. Slice everything really thin. Once you're there, set that aside. Now, the cheese I like to use for this is brie. For whatever reason, I really only ever eat or buy brie around the holiday season, and then I just can't get enough. So I love it in this. I like to cut it into really like thin slices, and you can see like the first one was a little bit too thick, but you see how nice and thin those are. And then what I do is I just take a little bit of that rind off. The rind is totally edible, but I just like to take that off just a little teeny tiny bit. I don't go crazy. You can also just stack a few slices and cut it off nice and easy. And then you're going to start building your sandwich. You can use any bread or any roll, but it is elite if you use a croissant, okay? It is an indulgent treat, and like I said, I only ever eat this after Thanksgiving, and I like to spread a little cranberry sauce on either side. It just adds a little tanginess with that creamy brie that's just going to be like so creamy and melty and delicious. I like to do a layer on the bottom, then top it with your chicken or turkey or whatever you've got, and then you're going to add your apples. And please do not skip this step. You need the tartness of the cranberry, you need that freshness of the apples, and then I do a little more cranberry sauce on the other side. And to hold everything together, I'm going to do a little bit more brie. Like I said, it's indulgent, but it is sensational. I can't even really describe it to you. You can make this on any bread that you like, but making this with a croissant and then cooking it like you would a grilled cheese in a pan with a little bit of butter until it's all crispy and delicious on both sides. It takes like 5 minutes for the cheese to start to melt on either side, but don't rush it because it's going to create the most gorgeous buttery crust. It is just so good. So if you find yourself with leftovers and maybe grab a box of croissants at your grocery store or the bakery, you can make a nice big pot of soup the weekend after Thanksgiving, and then just make these alongside, and they are perfect. You have to try it. It's so delicious. You guys know these videos are just extra food inspo for you, because we can never get enough food inspo. And look at that, it's so gooey and cheesy and delicious. It's just the best. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please make them. You will love it.